Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now let's start a catchy figures, kind of geometry figures. So now what we need to do is to create a circle and deselect the color of stroke and select the color foreground color. Now go to effects, go to 3D and click on revolve. Now click the preview mode on and change its perspective so that you can easily see and change little bit of its offset about 50 to 60 70. Now click OK. Now what you need to do is to create a symbol. For that, just create a rectangle, select its color black. Now pressing alt, just drag the mouse and just press Ctrl D to create number of rectangles. Now go to Windows and click on symbols. Now select the whole rectangle and go click on symbol and click on OK. Now go to appearance panel and click on 3D revolve. Now again switch on the preview mode. Now this time go to map art and on symbol click on new symbol. Change it to scale to fit. And you can see that it's not symmetrical. So for that, just drag it back from the edge and click OK. One more thing you need to do is to click on invisible geometry. So as you can see that all the parts are invisible. Now on selecting, you can only see the circle is visible. So for that, you need to go to object, click on expand appearance, click 2 times ungroup, one more time on release clipping mask. Now you need to do is to just select the unwanted parts and delete that, so you can achieve your art more clearly. Delete the rest of the part. As you can see, it's all are clear. You can see the image is clear. The vector I'm creating is more clearer to you. Now select the gradient color and now choose the color. Go to RGB mode. Click on radial. Now you can see it's a circle which is more clearer. Now let's create another geometry diagram. Go to direct selection tool, click on one node and delete it. One more thing you need to do is to create another symbol. For that, you need to draw the rectangle and make its color black. Now pressing Alt and drag, then press Ctrl D to make the copy. Now drag and drop it to the symbol panel. Now go to 3D, go to revolve, and turn on the preview mode. Now go to map art, and select the last new symbol which I've created recently, scale to fit, and click on invisible geometry, click OK. Now go to object, click on expand appearance, and ungroup it 2 times, and the final time to release clip to mask. Now there's a two shape. One shape, just click and drag it, so you can see the two ellipse. So select one ellipse and choose the color, lighter color. Copy the hex code and click OK. And then go to second, copy the color and choose the different shade of same color. Now just drag it to the initial position. So as you can see, it's kind of ellipse. So guys, hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.